Now, here I will solve this question. If you will observe it, then you will feel how much difficult this question is. But here also we have to follow as it is same steps. We have to convert the whole equation into the form of dy by dx, which is equals to f of xy upon g of xy. So what I should do? Here this dx derivative I am shifting this side, and this whole quantity I will shift in a denominator. So here I will get dy by dx, which is equals to y in a bracket x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x whole divided by this x in a bracket y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x. Now here observe what I can do. Here dy by dx form f of xy upon g of xy. No derivative is there, degree will be 0. So here I will write clearly it is a homogeneous equation of degree 0. After that, here what I can do, in place of y I will assume vx. So here let y is equals to vx. So here I will get dy by dx, which is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now reduce your question in term of v and x. So here in place of this I am writing this part. So you will get v plus x dv by dx, which is equals to, observe, in place of this y upon x I will write v into. Now see here again direct conversion will create some confusion. So before that what I should do, divide your whole equation by x, because you can observe highest power in numerator and denominator of x is 1. So divide numerator and denominator by x. So here I will get dy by dx, which is equals to y upon x into, here xx will be cancelled out. You will get cos y upon x plus y upon x sin y upon x, this whole divided by this y upon x sin y upon x minus xx cancel out, cos y upon x. Now I will reduce it in term of v and x. So here I will get now observe, here I will get, in place of dy by dx I am writing this part. So we will get v plus x dv by dx, which is equals to, in place of y upon x I will write down v, here in a bracket cos v plus v sin v, which is divided by here v sin v minus cos v. After that shift this v here. So you will get x dv by dx, which is equals to, multiply this v also inside. So I will get v cos v plus v square sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v minus v. Take LCM here. So here you will get x dv by dx, which is equals to here you will get v cos v plus v square sin v minus, take LCM, you will get v square sin v minus here will be plus v cos v, this whole divided by this term v sin v minus cos v. So after this here I will get now you may observe these both terms are going to be cancelled. So you will get x dv by dx, which is equals to v cos v, here you will get 2v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. Now here you may observe this whole RHS converted in term of v. Now shift this value to LHS and x quantity I will shift it to RHS. So here I'll get V sin V minus cos V upon 2V cos V dV, which is equals to dx upon x. Integrating on both the sides. So here, while you are integrating, here you will get, now see, observe here, this 1 upon 2, I am taking out common. Now observe, VV will be cancelled out, you will get 10V. So integration of 10V minus, again from here also 1 by 2 common, integration of, observe, cos will be cancelled out, you will have, here dV is there, 1 upon 2, cos will be removed, so you will get dV upon V, which is equals to log x plus log c. Now here, integration of 10x, that is log sec x, or minus log cos x. Both formulas are there. Which one you want to apply, that you may. So here I am writing minus 1 by 2 log cos v minus 1 by 2 log v, which is equals to, here I can write log xc. Log a plus log b formula, that is log ab. Now minus 1 by 2, if I will take common, so here I will get inner bracket log cos v plus log v, which is equals to log xc. Now this minus 2, I will shift it to RHS. Now here you will get minus 2, I am shifting here, and here log a plus log b, that is log ab formula I am applying. So you will get log cos b into v, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 log xc. Or shift it here only. You may give whole power minus 2 also. Now see, log if I want to remove, so this minus 1 by 2, here I have to apply a formula, log a to the power m, log x to the power m, that is m log x. So here m log x form given, I have to convert into this form. So here I will get log cos v into v, that is log xc to the power minus 1 by 2. Log will be removed, so here you will get cos v into v, which is equals to x to the power minus 1 by 2, c to the power minus 1 by 2. Substitute the value of v here, so you get y upon x cos y upon x, which is equals to x to the power minus 1 by 2. In place of this, assume a, where a is an arbitrary constant, that is c to the power minus 1 by 2. So this is a solution. If you want to give further simplification, how you can give? Shift this x here. So x to the power half. So here you will get x to the power positive half. You will get the further answer. So hope this solution understood.